Hello, welcome to today's session. My name is Adaeze Emerike. I'm a STEM education facilitator at Big T Infotech Solutions, Asaba. Today, I'll be showing you how to conduct the invisible ink experiment with materials you can find at home. I'll show you how to prepare the ink, what to use in preparing the ink, how to write your message, and then what you will do later to be able to read the message you wrote with the ink. So now today I have oranges, I have sachet milk. You can actually use any milk at your disposal. I have water to mix the milk. I have cotton board to write the message, to use to write the message on the papers. And I've got two papers because I have oranges and I have milk. So let's start with the oranges. I'll cut open one orange. And I'll squeeze the juice out into this container. Squeeze this too. Now I use this to take out the seed. And for the second material, we'll be using the milk. We'll cut it open. Pour it into the bowl. I'll add a little water and turn it to make a paste. This is too much. Using as ink. Now I'll indicate what material to be used on what paper by writing the name here. Here I'll write orange juice. And on this I'll write milk. Okay, we have milk. And on this we have orange juice. So I'll take a cotton board, take just one, dip it into the orange juice, and then proceed to write on the paper. I'll be writing my name. My name is Ada. You may not be able to see it clearly, but then I'll leave this out to dry. And I'll proceed with the milk. I'll take a fresh cotton wool, dip it into the milk, and write another secret message. Alright, call me. And with the milk, I wrote, call me Ada. You may not be able to see this clearly too, but I'll leave these two papers outside to dry completely. I should not see any wetness or any form of anything that will show that the paper is moist. So I'll keep it under the sun outside for it to dry completely. If you look at it clearly, you won't see any trace of the inks that we use, either the orange juice or the milk, the orange juice or the milk, as the case may be. So now the secret to revealing the messages on this paper is heat, actually. So you can use any heat source at your disposal. It could be an electric cooker, it could be a gas cooker as mine, it could be a lamp, whatever heat source is available to you, use that. Just hover the paper on the heat source until the messages written on them start to reveal itself. So now I'm going to try that of the orange juice. My heat is at low. I'll hover my paper over the heat source. It might take a while. So an adult should actually do this. Children are not allowed to play with fire source. Now don't keep your paper too close to the heat source to avoid it burning. So I'm heating up all of the angles where I actually wrote something on. Finally, my message is here. Sorry. So here is what I wrote to the orange juice. My name is Ada. It's reviewed. Now let's try that on the milk. And here you have the secret message I wrote with the milk. Call me Ada. So that's the end of this experiment. I'll further explain what happened and why the messages were reviewed when I used the heat source.
These are the final results of the invisible ink experiment. The reason behind it is that substances like orange juice and milk oxidizes and turn brown once heated. Actually, adding water to the orange juice will make the message you write on the paper even more invisible, and one can only reveal it once that paper is passed over a heat source. There are other materials you can use, such as lemon juice, honey, and vinegar. Go ahead to give it a try at home and let's see what your results are.